Y'all come on in, hang out. Y'all, I know last month we did He Has Risen wreath. We did it on like a grapevine, but I have this idea. I want to use some of the mesh because I think it's really, really pretty from the wreath supply box, you guys. Now, I didn't want to do the wreath frame, so I found me a piece of garland, y'all. This is just a piece of garland that I have put together. Just, it was, I think, want to say maybe a 4-foot piece. So I just kind of halved it. Actually, not even 4 foot. Like, this is like, I had like 28 inches of garland because this is half, so it's about 14 inches. So we're gonna make something on this little piece of garland. That's all I used, you guys, was just a leftover piece of garland. It did actually have a little hook on it, so that's perfect. Now, I don't measure, okay? I don't like to measure my mesh anymore. I only like to measure it if I like know that I don't have extras, but I do have extras of this because I get 3 boxes total. So you got your box. See, it looks like a lot of boxes barely got delivered today. That's okay. Okay. So we're gonna add in this mesh. I'm gonna make a nice little swag with this. Okay. So we're adding in my mesh. Okay, so I need 2 more pieces. Okay, so I gotta make sure that my little hook stays up there. So now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tails. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut these like 14 inches. You know, it's literally just a piece of garland. You can use whatever size you want. 20 inches, 24 inches, 10 inches. All you need is something to attach the mesh to. Okay, so just kind of folding my tail in half, pinching it, and we're going to add this. So I'm going to add my purple where my burlap color is. Okay, so adding in my ribbon tails, I want to come back onto the other side. Now I'm going to come on in and I'm going to, because I have my big rolls over here. To layer these two together. And I'm going to make about a 10-inch tail. Still holding it together. And then about 16 inches. So 26 inches total. Dovetail those. All of this came from Deco except the He Has Risen sign. That did not come from Deco. Measure out 10 inches. And about 13 or 14 inches. So about 23 to 24 inches worth of ribbon. So now we've got our nice base ready to go. with our ribbons on it. Now this I might end up cutting a little bit shorter just because it's kind of sticking out way too far for me. So I'm just go ahead and I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I'm going to come on in with my sign because I want to add that next. Okay. I'll glue my So I did put my stapler, I put my staple on there. Y'all, this sign, I'm going to tell y'all, this sign was put out like with the Valentine's Day stuff. So this is my sign. So I did put, I stapled it right down here. Now I did put just a little piece of ribbon to cover up the staple. Even though it's going to be covered up completely, and then I put some glue on there, and then I am using the hanger that it came with. So, not only am I going to do that, but I will also be adding some glue to the sign, okay? Okay, I'm going to flip that over. Okay, so just running that through. So I glued that right there in the middle. We've got our mesh going all the way around. We've got our ribbon tails. I am going to use the two purples together, you guys. So I'm going to make my tail, pinch it. And I'm going to measure out 13 inches. 13 inches. Pinch and twist. And I'm just going to cut my little tail here. So not a lot of this ribbon, y'all, that we're going to be using, because this one is a high-end ribbon. I want to make sure that I get to use that through a lot of other designs. So I'm going to make my tail pinch. And I want to do 14 inches. Pinch and twist. 14 inches. Pinch and twist. And I want to tell you, these He Is Risen designs have been my #1 seller this year. #1 seller. Okay, so just a simple 4-loop bow. So just a 4-loop bow. Y'all, nothing wild and crazy, right? So I'm going to run that through the back, through the mesh, through the back. So this is the filler bush. I love this one, especially because you get so many cuts off of it. Start up here at the top. Okay, so I'm coming on in and I'm making sure I'm gluing this, making sure it's attaching itself to whether it's going to be mesh or some of the evergreen base. I'm making sure that it's attaching itself to something. It's a little wild, it's a little hairy, it's fine. Next, I'm going to come in with this bush. I love this one as well. I did get this at Deco Exchange. So I'm adding this in, making sure it's grabbing either. Like I said, if I can get some of the greenery, great. If not, I try to make sure that it's attaching itself also to the mesh as well. I'm going to add in some of these little purple flowers, which I thought were really, really pretty. And I love this stem right here because it's like, boop. Got 6 of these. I'm going to add this right under my bow. So I added one right here, and I'm actually going to grab some more of these because I think they're really pretty. And I think I need some more for sure. Okay, so coming on back here. Okay, so now I'm going to bring back the purple ribbon because I think I need something up here at the top, kind of like just draping down a little bit. I'm thinking like a bow right up here. So that's going to be 13 inches. Pinch and twist. I think that looks pretty right in there. Still doesn't take away from the sign at all. I'm doing another 13 inches. Don't forget design school tonight. Coach Megan is going to be on instead of me. Okay, so now I want to bring in a little piece of this filler bush to fill in right in there. Set that straight on there. Make sure it's on there nice, pretty. Kind of just come back around. Filling in some spots that I see that might need a little bit of greenery here and there. Now this one did come from Walmart, you guys, but you can always use this pattern on anything. If you want to put a bunny, you can. If you want to put a cross, you can. If you want to put a chicken, you can. If you want to put anything on here, you can. It's just a really nice standard recipe that you can make a really pretty swag with. Okay? Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see y'all next month. Okay? Bye, y'all.